tiny things that bring me joy. Good morning. It's 9 a.m., which is okay. It's not that early. It's kind of early for me to be leaving my damn house, though. I am going in search of Merida's best tacos. That's what I heard. And I don't know why tacos need to be had this damn early. Like, they told me to make sure I get there before 10 or all the good options will be sold out. I was like, we gotta have tacos for breakfast? Come on, man. So that's what I'm doing, tacos for breakfast. Stay tuned. So this is what I got. I obviously don't remember the names of half of these things, but they only had pork, chicken, and eggs, and I didn't get any egg options. So I'm gonna just pick apart some and try to figure it out. Something in here smells really, really good. I cannot wait to dive in. I got 8 different things too, so some of them look similar, but it's 8 different options. So we will see if these are really the best tacos in all of Merida.
This taco, finally. Real taco in Mexico. Yum.
So where did I eat before?
I don't know. But you know what tastes like this?
This is this one, and I can't even pick it up because I cut it and added something drop outside. Okay, let me try it. Okay, this one is not bad. Something in there I don't like to have a cilantro or something. But I'm not getting that overwhelmingly corn flavor that you don't like in the tacos, right?
Can I tell you?
I'm trying to try this black one here.
Wait.
Let's see. Cut it. This is some blackened pork thing them called. I think this is the one they call pibil, something pibil or lechon. Can't remember them name.
If I lechon a pork, no. Just lechon again, I don't remember.
Okay, that one's good. I like this. Nobody knows it. I like this one. Try this one.
Ah, yum. I'm finally in Mexico.
The house, or where were you before?
Mexico? Get it.
Right, that's clearly chicken. I think that's chicken too. This is porkish. May I try that one here? This one have woolly pot onion. I don't like so much onion in a mess.
There was a crowd?
Not an unmanageable crowd, but yeah, you place it full. Alright, I'm gonna try that pulled pork looking. That sauce that it did it in, it's fantastic. It's citrusy, like them squeeze lime on this one.
Don't put lime on everything.
This one's really good too. And you know, they had options to like add cheeses because the gringos are used to tacos with cheese. So they had options to like put cheese on some of them. I didn't put cheese on anything. But I could definitely see how some of them would do well with cheese. I ordered one ositer with poblano peppers. I'm dying to taste that one. Peppers smell good. I'm really liking these tacos. This one been sitting in sauce too long. The taco part kind of coming apart. So I probably need to get a fork for this one. And I got a little bitty spoon. I'm gonna try this one that's tearing up. Come try this one with the poblano pepper. Cheese and it tastes good. That one would be really good with cheese in it too, but just by itself, it's so good. I need a spoon or something. Okay, tear up. But so good.
I bet not brain it here. You taste it? What? Which one?
This one.
No, so from it up with me that and onion and everything.
This one is the
Oh God.
that one is a pork belly one. I don't like that one because it's not crispy.
Where the pork belly there?
Gross. Fat.
No. Love pork belly, but I'm not like all that one. I need to go and get some pork belly. Cook. Because them will have proper pork belly. I don't know what needs to take a Jamaica.
Okay, the verdict. These are definitely the best tacos I've had in Merida so far. And I've had some good tacos. But there are no shrimp tacos here to compare to. So the best tacos that I've had so far are the shrimp tacos from Tropical and that gourmet taco from the place on the Ramate. Oh my God, that was so good. But that was gourmet and that was expensive. That one taco cost me just maybe 20 pesos less than all of these. These are 8 tacos and it cost me 150 pesos, which is like $7 enough, almost $8 for 8 tacos. Yeah, $1 a taco. Yeah. Pretty good. And pretty yummy tacos.
Right in my heart.